This Career Exploration Mobile Lab may look like simply a trailer with wheels, but I promise you the magic inside is a lot bigger. Exploration shouldn't be something students read about. It should be something they can touch, try, and feel.
My role on the trailer is the welding station. I teach middle schoolers how to weld and demonstrate the simulation.
I'm really excited about teaching them about aviation. That field is a really good field to be in.
This is a manifestation of somebody definitely thinking outside the box.
By bringing exploration and exploratory learning directly to our middle school campuses, we're helping our students experience what their futures can look like.
To our students, this is for you. Your possibilities are real, your future is wide open, and we cannot wait to see what you discover.
I didn't realize how many options there are, and now I feel like I have a better idea of what I'm interested in. Thank you for believing in us and for giving us this opportunity.
The Dallas ISD CTE Mobile Lab is a shining example of what happens when education, philanthropy, and community come together around a shared purpose, shaping futures and preparing students for life.
Our job as a foundation is to bring in partners who share that vision with us. Addy Foundation and Atmos Energy, Hoblitzelle Foundations, and Jacobs. And I also want to thank the Moody Foundation. They sponsored the truck. They are sponsoring a second mobile lab for our district. So we are incredibly appreciative.